Good morning, friends. This is Vishal here on 9th of July at 7 a.m. So yesterday, my view was that Bank Nifty will reach to 23,000 on intraday basis, and I had also clearly said that if market opens somewhere at lower side, then I will go for a buy, and if it is opening at the higher side, then I will wait for a some sort of a consolidation or a sideways movement, and then I will buy it for the target of 23,000. And if you see that we actually got 23,000 over here as a target in intraday. So because 23,000, we also saw there was a very high open interest on the call side, which was proving to be a resistance in intraday. The market came off from 23,000 levels, and it did a retracement of around let's see the retracement, and retracement it did of around 50%. Now today what I feel is that market may go up to, or may even open up at the lower levels also, chances are that, and it can go up to these and these two levels. That is 61% retracement, and this is 78% retracement. So 68% retracement is coming around let me just put it for you. It is 22,428, okay, and 78 is coming around 78 is, just a minute, so visible, is 22,242. okay, this is the level 22,245. okay, these are the two levels where basically this is coming 61% and 78%. So I hope this is visible to you on the screen. So I think market will retrace to these levels. This is a correction, not a reversal at all. And after these levels, today market may remain in sideways because of a weekly expiry. I'm talking about, when I'm saying market, I'm talking basically broadly about two indices, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty. And I think it will remain in sideways market, sideways today because of weekly expiry, and these are the two targets which we should see today. If market opens higher or somewhere at these levels, you can short it for these two targets, okay, but with the strict stop loss. So there is a reason for that, I'll tell you. So this is how I'm going to actually work today. If market opens over here, then I will short it for these two targets. If it already opens at a lower level, then I will not short it, then I will see some buying opportunity. But today, since being an expiry day, I will do a option writing mostly, okay, and tomorrow I will see some buying opportunity, because this is just a correction, not a downfall. And I will show you why this is just a correction. I am just removing this now, and let me just put it in 15 minutes. So I will just show you why this is a correction, not a downfall. So let's put it as a 1 day chart, and I will show you this alert wave. This is wave 1, this is wave 2, and this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and this is wave 3, and this is probably wave 4, and there will be wave 5. And after that we can see some sort of a correction actually happening, okay. So within the wave 3, if you see, we can see 5 waves within the wave 3. So let me just draw it again for you. This is wave 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So that's why there was a correction, okay. So I'm just putting it in a different color, okay. The green color is a wave count for the wave 3, internal wave count for the wave 3 itself, and the red is basically a wave count from this level. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and there will be wave 5. And after wave 5 we can actually see the some sort of a correction coming into place, which will be like this, wave A, then maybe B, then C. No, just a bit. B, and then there will be C somewhere like this. So we will examine that once we will reach to this level. Second, why this story is, why I am saying this is these counts, because it is being supported by the data from the FIIs. Now, if you see the FII data, if you see the FII data of yesterday, I will show you they are very bullish in index. They are not actually bearish in index at all, and they have done a heavy buying in index. So I am opening this sensible data for you. This is look at here. This is FII data, and okay, I will not get into this call and all those things, not this portion. So I will straight away show you the data here. Now can you see FI data? They are very bullish in index. They have done a heavy buying in index. Though in cash both FIs and DIs have sold. That is why market came off yesterday, because they sold in futures. Okay, in future they are not so bullish. They have sold it in futures, and but in index they have actually bought it heavily. And if you see their calls also, so they have bought the calls also, and they have bought the puts also. Okay, both. So the data suggests to me that FIs are still bullish in index, though they have sold some in cash and some in futures also, and DIs are also sold in cash and futures. Okay, so this is the FI data suggestion. That is why I am saying this is a correction, and I think there will be some little more correction, and after that market will take off again. So we should not actually go bearish in the market at all. So that is my view. And now let's see what option chain is saying for Bank Nifty first. Now if you see what option chain is indicating to us, the support levels which we draw for Bank Nifty today, let's see whether option chain right now is supporting that or not. It is supporting it. Okay, we said 22,400 and 22,200. Yes, 22,400 is also a support. 22, even 22,500 is also a support over here. Okay, and if 22,500 is taken out, then 22,400 and 22,200 is the support levels. Okay, and you can see there even 22,300 is a support level. That means the lower levels, that is 22,400 500 to 22,200 is actually a support level. So we can see actually market actually reversing from this direction at any given point of a time. Whether it will happen today, whether it will happen tomorrow, I don't know. Once we will have that kind of a moment, then we will know that yes, it is actually going to move from here. So let us see what is the uh, option chain analysis for Nifty today. Nifty again, we will, what we can see here is just 10,700. There is some sort of a unwinding which has happened over here. There is some unwinding also happen, and there is some unwinding at 10,650, and there is some unwinding at 10,600 as well. But still they are actually if you see here, there is a good put writing 21,000, 28,000, 27,000 at all these levels. That means these levels are also going to prove a these levels are also going to prove a very good support levels. Okay, so at a lower side of the market, that is 10,600, 10,500, you have to look for buying opportunity rather than selling opportunity. But don't buy today immediately, because let the market reach in Nifty around 10,400, 10,450 or 10,500 levels. Then if you get some kind of a bullish sign from there, then we will go for a buying. Similarly for Bank Nifty, we have to let the market reach to 22,200, 22,000, 22,100, 22,300. Then we have to actually go for a buying. So this is a strategy from a positional call, not from an intraday call. Okay. So this is a strategy from a positional call, because I still feel the market suggests to me, the data also suggests to me that it is still the trend is uptrend. Why the trend is uptrend? If you see, it is there is a clear formation of lower lows and higher highs. So isn't it one low, and this is another high? Okay, then this is one low, this low is higher than this, and this high is higher than this, right? Then this low has got formed, this low is higher than this, and then this high has got formed, this high is higher than this, and there is a low which may get formed today. Unless this low is not broken, the trend will be still uptrend itself. Okay, so we should not look at shorting opportunities on a positional basis. We can look at shorting opportunities on intraday basis. So that should be our strategy in Nifty and in Bank Nifty. And now let's see what should be our strategy in Nifty. So if I open up Nifty, okay, I have done a retracement over here. Let me just remove it. Now Nifty again, if you see here on the chart, this is one low, this is one high, this is one higher low. Okay, this is higher than this is one high which it made, it is higher than this is one low which it made, and this is another high which is higher than this. So there may be a low formation. Another, this low is not getting taken out. We should not actually look for any shorting opportunities on positional or swing base. We should actually continue the uptrend, and market will go up, and I'm sure that it will make another high which will be around 11,000. It may not happen today, but it will be surely happening in days to come. So we have seen the clear strategy on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's see what world market is telling us and how they are actually doing right now. Now here world market has also started taking off. If you see this chart of Dow clearly, so it took a support at these levels, which may be a some retracement of maybe 61% retracement of this up leg. So it took a support here, and then then there is an uptrend kind of happening. Now let's see what it did basically over here. Now if you see here, so the market went up, and then there was this correction. So if I join this trend, so this is a breakout, and then there is again retesting of this low where it has been taking support, and it took off. Obviously this level was our first target where it has reached. Now it will do some sort of consolidation over here, and after this consolidation, if it has to go up, it will go up to this level. Here again you will see some sort of consolidation, and if it has to go up, then it will go up to this level. Okay, this is how the market works. So it will again go up in the formation of higher lows and higher highs. Okay, if it has to come down, then it may do a consolidation, little bit of, it will not take this high, or it will not take this high. From there it should actually make a low lower than this, and then like this it can go down, and it will again reach here. If it has to break it, it will go like this. It will not take this high, then it will go down. So this is how the market actually behaves. If you see market from this perspective, as I shown you, you will always, most of the times will make money. So this is how we need to actually see the markets. I'm sure that all of you know this, but I'm just again just kind of reminding it this is how the market always works, and this is how we should see the market as I explained over here. Now what we have done, we have seen Nifty, Bank Nifty, what could be the levels today, or what should be our positional based strategy, and what should be our intraday based strategy. I am going to do, how I am going to do is today is how I am going to actually sell options today. I will write options today, but on a positional basis, I will buy Nifty and Bank Nifty again, maybe through the options. And we have also seen FII data, which especially in the index, they are very bullish in the index, and the world market has also started now supporting. So we saw the Dow, we see Nasdaq. So it is up only, okay. If it is taking out this up, then it may go up. Now you can also see here in my charts, there is this 20 period moving average, and the price has been actually very clearly taking support at this 20 period moving average everywhere, in especially in 1 hour. So we will see S&P also, S&P 500, okay. Here again, okay, it has not gone down, it is actually taking support at these levels and now going up. So if it takes out this high, it should take out this high, then retest this back and then go up. Then this should be the target level, this level, okay. So this is how we need to see the markets, and this is how the markets always work. There's no other way the market actually works. So for my view is that intraday basis we can look at some sort of a shorting opportunities, but not today because the market is already down. So I am going to look for a buying opportunity for positional sake, but for intraday today I will be basically writing the options. I will not do anything else today. So that is it for today, and this is my view. Clearly this is how I am going to trade. If you like it, you can trade it at your own risk. This is no way any kind of a recommendation which I am actually giving in this video. So I have started making videos in the morning so that people will know the correct view of how they should actually start operating for intraday or for a positional once the market will open. But once the market will open, you again check this option chain because the data will change here. So as per the change in the data, please see the levels accordingly and then take a call accordingly. But the view is clear that market is still bullish, and it is still poised to go up. Okay, thank you very much.